guys, welcome to another video. Today we are at the Central Florida Zoo for the Asian Lantern Festival Into the Wild. It is ungodly crowded tonight, so it's going to be a different video than usual. We're going to sit back and shut up. We're just going to film some lights and put some music behind it, and y'all can sit back and enjoy. So without further ado, here's the Asian Lantern Festival. Alright, we hope you enjoyed that little walkthrough. Again, wasn't really sure how to do this video. It was really crowded in there. We actually went around the loop one more time and got some better shots. But we hope you enjoyed seeing all the lights, the lanterns, some of the Christmas stuff at the very end. It was cool. But yeah, quick little video, relaxing walk through the Central Florida Zoo. It's about 10 o'clock. We're going to call it a night. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave us a like and all that fun jazz. And we'll see you on the next video.